Hi, right now we are at B7 Mutation IM room for our assignment system. We choose this location to show you smoke detector alarm system. So we use Photodetector as our sensor. So we choose this smoke alarm detector as our main system for this assignment.
Okay, this is how optical smoke alarm works. Let's get started.
Alright, I will show you how the system works. When the fire breaks out, the smoke will enter to the system. Then the sensor will detect the smoke.
When a fire breaks out, smoke will enter the optical chamber through the opening vents. Smoke alarms from quality manufacturers have the chamber protected with insert screen to stop bugs entering and causing false alarm. As the smoke enters the optical chamber, its particles cause the infrared light to be scattered onto the photodiode light receptor.
So when the smoke detector has sensed the smoke, the alarm will be sound to alert the people.
Once the scattered light hits the photodiode light receptor, a signal is sent to the integrated circuit which causes the alarm to sound, alerting the occupants to the fire.
Block diagram for the photodiode system. We have, for the first block, we have infrared LED sensor to produce the light beam, and then for the second block we have photodiode light receptor. If the smoke is detected, the light beam from the infrared will scatter around, and then the photodiode will act as a PN junction diode that consume light energy to produce the electric current. The photodiode will detect the light, and then the electron will go to N side and the hole will go to the P side and make the recombination process to allow the current to flow. And then for the third block, the current can flow to the circuit to make the fourth block, that is LED and buzzer, to turn on.
Suggestion for our project, we integrate the system with a responsive alert mechanism, like the detector should trigger alarm and send the notification to connect the device.